Hello students, under the practice set number 33, that is one example left by me, and that example is the honey brought one box of apple. Honey brought one box of apples. Box of how many apples are there? 50 apples for rupees 400. For rupees 400, and it sold all the apples at the rate of 10 each. So at the rate of 10 each. So here the CP means cost price of 50 apple is equals to how much? 400. Cost price of 50 apple is 400, and total selling price is not given to us, but one apple he sold for how many rupees? 10 rupees, that is given to us. So from this we have to find out the total selling price of apples, and then we have to solve the profit or we get the loss. So here let's solve the example. The CP of, I will keep this example here downside for reading. Okay, so CP of means cost price of 50 apples. Let's let it be. Cost price of how many? Cost price of 50 apples. 50 apples equals to how much? Rupees 400. Right? Now the selling price of one apple is equals to how much? Rupees 10. One apple it is 10. Therefore, selling price of 50 apples is equals to 50 into 10 equals to how much? 500. So in this example we have to find out the what? Profit or loss. So if from this what we are understanding here, in short I will write now, SP means selling price is greater than CP means cost price. Therefore there is what? Profit. So in this transaction Hanif got the profit. Now how much profit is there that we have to find. So SP is greater than CP, therefore there is a profit. And how much profit is there? So profit is equals to what? Selling price minus cost price. So how much is the selling price? That is 500. Minus cost price is equals to how much? 400, and the subtraction of both is equals to 100. So Hanif, after selling the 50 apples, the Hanif got the profit of how much rupees? 100 rupees. So here 100 rupees profit is there, that we have to find out now profit percent. So profit percent, let the profit percent be. Let the profit percent be y. So we have to solve the example. So y upon 100 equals to, means for 100 he got the profit of y. So y upon 100 is equals to, for 400 how much profit he got? 100. So 400 upon, sorry, my mistake, 400 upon 100. Okay, then no, profit 100 upon 400, right? So how much is the profit? 100 rupees for how much? 400. Now we will solve the example. So y is equals to 100 upon 400 into 100. So 100 ones are 100 and 100 fours are 400. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, remains 2, and 4 fives are 20. So y is equals to, how much is the profit? Y is equals to 25% profit that Hanif got in this total transaction. So in this way we are going to solve the example. Yesterday I sent you the two photos of the examples, solved example. Today this video plus plus that screenshot of the solving of this example also I will send you on the group. So all of you note down this example. If you are not understanding, ask me, I will explain you again. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Wait 1 minute. So note down this. So this part we seen, that is the third example we seen from the practice set, that is the 33. The next part, that is using the information, how to frame the questions and how to solve the word problems, that we are going to see in our next lecture. So today you are going to solve the practice set number 33 and send me on my personal number. So today we stop here only. Okay, thank you.